Welcome to the Feeding the World with Analytics edition of the Editor's Cut, brought to you by Informs, the Institute for Operations Research and the Management Sciences, the world's leading professional society for operations research, management science, and analytics professionals. My name is Robin Lougee.
And my name is Saurabh Bansal.
And we are the co-editors for the Informs volume that focuses on agribusiness analytics. We're here to briefly introduce the topic and materials that we've selected for this edition. So, Saurabh, why a volume on feeding the world with analytics?
Robin, as you know, most people may not realize, but agribusiness has been the motivation for some major developments in optimization and statistics. The theory of regression was developed for animal husbandry. The theory of design of experiments was developed for creating new varieties of seeds. Integer programming was developed for harvesting timber. There are many other examples, but the gist of all these situations is that they posed real problems that were challenging and difficult to solve. That motivated researchers to think hard about them and solve them while making significant contributions to theory. And the well-known data analytics software company, the SAS Institute Incorporated, traces its roots to agribusiness. Its software grew out of a North Carolina State University project to analyze crop yield data for the US Department of Agriculture. Robin, what's your perspective on feeding the world with analytics, and why is the topic so relevant now?
I think the topic is taking off because people see the need to produce more food, fuel, and fiber for a growing population with the same or less natural resources. As you know today, agriculture uses a third of the fresh water distributions and is the second leading cause of greenhouse gases. It's not enough to just do more. We need to do better. Thanks to the growing availability of agriculture data and advances in analytics capabilities, we're able to address the pressing issues of sustainable agriculture in ways and at a scale never before possible. We've compiled a wealth of content from peer-reviewed research articles, media stories, industry articles, videos, and podcasts that's food for thought, whether you're new to the area of agribusiness and looking for an introduction, or an expert in the field looking for new inspiration. So, Saurabh, what excites you most among all the contributions that we've compiled?
We have selected a number of papers that highlight the use of mathematical models to support decision making. Now, if I could highlight just a few of them, we have some articles on seed development and production using optimization methods. These articles have been co-authored by teams of academicians and industry people, including a winner of the Edelman Award and a finalist of the Wagner Prize competition. We also have an article on using decision analysis toolkit to inform research and development activities in agribusiness. As you might know, historically, farmers have relied on their intuition to develop new varieties of crops. This paper shows how a major seed company calibrated this human intuition to extract more information from judgments than was possible before. Then we have some other articles that have a more operations management flavor, specifically one that hopefully will encourage creation of a futures market for wines in the US as it exists in Europe right now. We also have some articles that discuss how to optimally share scarce water resources, which you know is a growing concern throughout the world. Robin, do you have any favorite emerging areas?
Yes, I'm excited by the growing availability of open data from initiatives like GODAN, the Global Open Data for Agriculture and Nutrition, the active open source software collaborations like AgMIP, the Agriculture Model Into Comparison and Improvement Project, and conferences like the International Conference on Agro Big Data and Decision Support Systems in Agriculture, sponsored by IFORS, the International Federation of Operation Research Societies. In closing, I'd just like to say that it's been great working with you, Saurabh, on this volume.
Thanks, Robin, and thank you all for watching. We hope you will find this volume on feeding the world with analytics interesting and informative. Enjoy.